let's quickly cover what REST API is. API stands for Application Programming Interface, a way for two systems to communicate. The client, such as a website or app, sends requests. The server, such as another site or service, processes them and sends back responses. REST API is the most common API format on the web. It is stateless. Each request carries everything it needs, so the server doesn't store session data. This makes it simple, faster, and easy to scale across many servers. REST APIs use 4 core HTTP methods, the foundation of all requests. GET – retrieve specific data from the server. POST – send data to the server to create a new item, for example a blog post, a user account, or a product. PUT – send data to the server to update or replace an existing record. Delete – remove data from the server. In WordPress, the REST API works through special URLs called endpoints, places where you can send a request and get specific data back. By default, you get endpoints for posts, pages, and taxonomies, but adding your own usually means writing PHP code. JetEngine makes it point and click, so you can create and extend endpoints without touching code.